Good afternoon. Saturday, beach day. Yeah, absolutely. There's a breeze. It's a little cool. Not too many people. There's also a concert this weekend. 2 days that way. Not going. Just hanging out on the beach. Joe's Garage is open. It might be lunchtime too. So get ready. It's Memorial Day weekend. Not too many people on the beach. But I do spy a bartender over there. Hey, bartender, what do you got? Oh, nice! From Four City. Nice, but I need a mug. What do you got? Oh, yeah, tequila. Excellent. Cheers. Delicious. Good evening from Atlantic City. It's time for dinner. Where? Irish pub. Famous place. Been here a long time. I've been here before. And it's actually a B&B also. Let's check it out. This is the Joe DiMaggio Shrine booth, if you will. You know, during Prohibition time, when he would come here with Marilyn Monroe, too. So, yeah, Joe DiMaggio, if you're a Yankee fan.